Hello guys, welcome to SOP Academy. So we are here with three new job openings. The first one is from Saskin Jobs. They are hiring for graduate trainees. The second one is from CSG. They are hiring for software development engineers. And the third one is Boeing. They are hiring entry level software engineers. So for all of these three job roles, freshers are eligible. Now we will look at the skills they are asking, the job locations, the eligibility criteria and other details. So first we will start with Saskin. So they are hiring graduate trainees. So the skills they have mentioned, that you need to have knowledge of Android application framework, design development, customization, bug fixing, sustenance, and one who has experience in one or more of the following domains. Domains are multimedia, telephony, connectivity, sensors, and security. So the platform, mandatory to have worked on one of the following, that is Android. You must have working experience by building a project or internship in Android. Languages you must know are Java or Java native interface. The third one, the tools that you require. So mandatory to have worked on one of or the more of the following. So first one is Android Studio. So you must have working experience or knowledge of one or more than one of the following. First one is Android Studio. Second one is Eclipse, then Git, then Gerrit, ADB, Android Simulator, DDMS, Top, PS, Meminfo, and Bugzilla. So out of these three, the three most common are Android Studio, Eclipse, and Git. So you must have knowledge in these tools. Then roles and responsibilities. The qualifications they require is engineering graduate from any branch and MCA. Experience is from 0 to 3 years. So people up to 3 years of experience can also apply. The job purpose, understand and deliver the assigned work with specific timelines. So you have to submit your work within timelines with expected quality of work under the guidance of your senior team members. The key characteristics, the key characteristics are that you need to have apply your knowledge of your technical discipline and advanced knowledge of specific technical practices. Then person identifies problems in existing systems. So you have to find problems in systems and then you have to fix them. The third is operationally oriented role responsibility for achieving day-to-day defined task. So you will be given day-to-day defined task and you will have to complete that by the end of the day. The last one is work under close supervision of your team leader or project manager. So you will be directly working under your team leader or project manager. The responsibilities are designing, coding, testing, bug fixing, documentation, and technical support. These are the main job roles. So I think you get the idea. So you can see on the right side of the screen, this is the registration form. They are asking for first name, last name, the contact number, your date of birth, email ID. Then you will choose your resume, then enter the captcha, and then you will submit. So let us look at the second one. The second one is from CSG. CSG is hiring software development engineer graduates. The location they are hiring for is Bangalore, India, and the domain is information technology. So it is a full-time opportunity. The position details. So they have mentioned we are looking for passionate freshers who want to start their career in full stack software development and have desire to get hands-on coding experience. So your work is going to be in software development, that is full stack. Now requirements, that is eligibility criteria. BCA, MCA, BTech, MTech, BSc, MSc, all are eligible. You must have excellent communication skills, mathematical, logical, and reasoning skills, knowledge of OOPS, then knowledge of C Sharp, Java, or scripting languages, and a keen player and wisher to become a self motivated leader. So, you must have leadership qualities. The highlights are that they have mentioned that they are working as agile team on cutting edge technologies and your training period is going to be for 2 months. Roles and responsibilities: develop and implement new softwares, clearly and regularly communicate with management and technical support challenges, design and update software database, test and maintain software products. So testing and maintenance is also included. Preferable technologies are C Sharp, Java, Angular, SQL, DevOps, etc. And there is no percentage criteria. So this is a very good initiative from them. No minimum marks cut off. Join us if you are passionate coder. So only thing you require is that you must have passion of coding. So if you find this interesting enough, you can apply. This is the apply button here on the right side of the screen. So now let us look at the last one, which is from Boeing. They are hiring entry-level software engineers for C++. Your location is Bengaluru, Karnataka. The benefits they have mentioned: compensation, life, career, financial security, health and community benefits. The job description: the Boeing company is hiring entry-level software engineers in C++ to join the Boeing India engineering team and will be based out of Bangalore. This position will report to Boeing India engineering organization. So let us look at the eligibility criteria and the skills required. 0 to 3 years of related work experience in embedded avionics system, software development, validation and verification. Experience in C++. So even if you have internship or training experience, then you can count on it. You must have good programming skills in Python as well. Experience in building, integration and debugging softwares. Then experience using application agile development process, tools, build and configuration management tools. Then experience with project, build, configuration management tools such as Atlassian tool suites. Now the branches which are eligible: bachelor's degree in engineering or higher, that is a master's degree from either CS, ECE, telecom or info science. The typical education and experience: so education and experience typically covered through advanced education, example bachelor, and typically 0 to 3 years of related work experience or an equivalent combination of education and experience, that is internships and trainings. So they have mentioned something under relocation, that is this position does offer relocation within India. So I think that is all for this video. So if any of the desired skills match your skills and you are interested in the job and location, then you can apply using the apply buttons. Thank you very much.